Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire.
Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat.
Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her socials.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with a girl Dipped in Chocolate. So from the title down below, you don't know what the video is gonna be, what this video is gonna be about. So basically I am going away. So you guys will be preparing with me and also guessing where I am going. If you guys can guess where I'm going, then I'll give you guys a shout out on either my Instagram or on YouTube. So let us see who can guess. So I pre-packed already, but I did not fully pack because I want to bring some Jamaican seasonings and I want to do my final wash. You understand? Because I don't want to leave the dirty clothes. No, so I want to do my final wash. So I pre-packed to pack the things that are essential and all that. So guys, this is like 3 days before my flight. I won't be going on the road today, but my cousin will be going to the supermarket. She's gonna be buying some seasonings for me, so that's the vibe for today. Also I'll be packing up my shoes, my clothes, everything, and you guys will be here helping me. No, I'm not gonna help me, but we're not there for my chit chat with one because I can put our business. So without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when I get the chat that uploads another video. One breath we did that now. So let's go, guys. So guys, I'll be bringing what's his name again? One, I don't remember what the name is. One check bag and one carry-on with my personal luggage. So I got this carry-on as a gift. I love it so much. It's so cute. Plus it's gonna fit my outfit because you know it's a vibe over here, so you know I have to dress up. So this check bag, this carry-on came with this bag, also with another bag, but two other bags. It was like a pack of 4, so it had I'm showing you. I'm showing everything, you know. Where the bag there? Oh, see it here? So I had this bag when I put my clocks, you know. This what I put my these, you put your underwear in, and then you have this little bag where you can put like your girly stuff in. So it's really convenient and cute. So big up whosoever for the bag here. If we go show. So big up whosoever. I'm going to be packing my underwears and my undergarments in this bag, and then I'll be putting it in my check bag. And then I'm going to take some stuff out of my carry-on because it's 2-pack. I don't want it to be 2-pack. I want it to be like I have like minimal clothes, like clothes that I can survive with for maybe a week or so, or for 3 days if them last my check bag. You understand? Yeah, because them last my check bag the last time, so I'm not take a check with Delta. I'm not take a check with Delta at all. So I go pack up my underwear them and everything in this, fold them up neat and nice, put minimal clothes in this, put the big level clothes in the one here, and then have this, you know, for cuteness. Cause look here, no, and this mega walk around the airport with, so I don't want this to be too big and heavy, right? Right, Louise? Right, Louise? If you say right.
So funny to me. That's why you think I left but 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost threw my line. Long stay all day, talking from you to try to play these games. Leave your family in the pouring rain.
all of these I'm going to be fitting in this bag right here. For this, I'll be putting my shoes, the seasonings, and everything else into this bag. So I just hope that I brought everything that I need. Guys, I did not go to town, but I sent, well, Anna was going to town, so she just bought some stuff for me. I changed clothes because I showered and all that. So I'm showing what she gets and what she's supposed to get for me so that I can pack proper. She got this season up fish season. Just know that we don't use fish season just on fish because of seasoning. Then we have this jerk season. Then the brownie lasts me for months. So this brownie not gonna last me for months. So only thing left back is curry and an all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to be putting them in this. Then I'm gonna wrap it up and put it wrap it up in the clothes. Oh, I'm gonna wrap them individually in a clothes. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap up this individually in our jeans. I'm gonna put it at the bottom. Wrap up the brownie. And I wrap up this jerk seasoning. That is the curry and the all-purpose seasoning left back. Nothing much no day in this still. In there, so kind of empty-ish. I'm gonna find some things put in there. So this is how the suitcase is looking right now. Yep, it doesn't look too bad. So guys, I kind of finished done packing ish, but I think I want to go out tonight. Yeah, so I'm gonna do my hair, so let's see how it comes out.
to rest a little bit and then take a shower because I'm so hot. It was such a lit party, Cinco de Mayo. What we say in Spanish? Good again. Grass is a type. Good. Yes, it was really good. So I'm just gonna rest off, go to my bed, and then I love my makeup. Kudos to me for doing this. My face is just natural and pretty. Yeah, then tomorrow I'm gonna get my hair done, so stay tuned for that.
So guys, I'm now awake and I'm getting my hair done. So just start. I'm gonna watch some movie and get it done. So yep. So guys, my cousin is doing my hair and she's doing such a wonderful job. Like, this girl is eating this style up. This is my first time doing boho braids, so I'm really excited to see the end result. I know that she's gonna eat this up because she's my family and her blood is like very talented. So what y'all talking about? So guys, today is Sunday and I'll be leaving on Wednesday. I am so I don't know how I feel. Like, yeah, I'm excited because I love that type of vibe, but still I am kind of sad because I'm leaving my friends and Jamaica is so lit. Jamaica is lit, child. There's nowhere like Jamaica, trust me. So yeah, I'm gonna finish pack fully. I promise you, I'm gonna fully pack tomorrow. Promise you, cause I gotta wash tomorrow too. So I got fully done pack tomorrow because my cousin even went ahead and bought curry and all-purpose seasoning for me. I think we should have get Lasco, but I didn't, so I'm just not gonna get it. I'm just gonna maybe use their milk or whatever. So yeah, I'm loving my braids so far, guys. With my outfits, I wanted to wear a corset over my jumpsuit, but it don't look good with the shoes, so I'm just trying to find something else to complement the jumpsuit because jumpsuit is what I want to wear. So I'm just gonna get like something to put on the jumpsuit because it's so plain, you understand? And I'm not that type of girl, sorry. So let us see how I'm going to complement it. I'm going to try to find something to wear with it by Tuesday the latest because I'll be leaving early in the morning. I'm gonna be calling one of my friends so that he can come and pick me up and bring me to Knoxford because I'm going to Knoxford first, then the airport. So yeah, because I'm going Montego Bay region. Yeah, guys, I love my hair so much. It's not even tied. The only time I flinch, I one time she part my hair because I'm afraid I made bad. I'm afraid I made bad and it not up. But guys, without but that's an eye pound, so it's something I want to know because I love my hairstyle. My bougie. I love my hairstyle. This angle. So guys, this is my dinner. I'm gonna show you how far I'm reaching that here. So she reached out like a far away. I have to eat as much of them nice food here as possible because no matter how you can still cook the same food, it's not gonna taste the same way. So guys, this is how far we reach. I have an exam tomorrow. She has an exam tomorrow also, so she's trying to catch up. I'm gonna go to sleep after this. Tired. Guys, I'm not tired. When will it end? All this excitement. I'm sad again because I want to get my hair done. This is not what I'm made for. Wigs what I'm made for. Murder. Guys, my hair is done. I look so new. I look different. Like, y'all don't know me as this. Guys, this is not a wig. This is not a wig. Should angle. Thank you. It looks so nice. I look so Beautiful. I look like I'm in my natural hair girly, you know, part of life. Hey guys, short commercial break. So this part of the video is sponsored by Rasta Nuwaupian. So Rasta Nuwaupian is a herbal Rastafarian company. It deals with herbal stuff, everything ital. So today I got this body wash. So it's the African black soap body wash. You always see me using it on my channel. If you are an OG dipped in chocolate watcher, subscriber, you always see me washing with this. It's the components in it are neem oil, coconut oil, olive oil, and essential oil. It leaves your body feeling energized, leaves your body feeling nice. Like, it's not slippery. You know the regular body wash them slippery? No, this just make your body feel fresh. Plus it is all natural. Also, we have the body butter in the flavor vanilla. It smells so good. It's so creamy and nice. You guys can see, I may not use it yet, but guys, it smells so good. Next, we have the hair food. Guys, I use this in my hair every time I wash my hair. I just, you know, put it in the creases of my hair. And if you have seen my natural hair, you know, say it's a going with itself. It smells so good. It smells like oil mixed. It just smells herbal. It smells ital. It smells, you know. All right, so I have been struggling with liver spots on my body, so they made sure to send me over some of these herbal pills that can help my body to detox. So here I have the bodybuilder blend right here. So this is basically the iron pill, because I'm always sleepy. So I've told the herbalist that, hey, I need some, you know, some herbs. So they sent over this. So this is the bodybuilder blend, and right here I have the sea moss blend. Yeah, sea moss blend. And then this one is the detoxer. This is the detoxer. This will help to clear up my skin. So because my ear do be a loose ear in the place, I just get up and spread up and tidy up all of my cousin. Should I use my mic, you know, because only people leave I hear me. So use it. I may walk through the airport. I may, you know, I use it entirely. Because when I up on the plane can load. I don't know. Man, this song can load in the YouTube video them. So I will use the mic entirely. So I have my better pack. I think about 6 pack this. Plus I have my all-purpose Maggi seasoning. Remember, some I have my jerk seasoning and my fish seasoning too. So I have my seasoning them and I have my browning. So I'm gonna pack up this in my bag, in my suitcase. Also, what else I'm gonna tell you? Oh yeah, so it's one day before my flight. My hair is done. The only thing that give me problem right now is my outfit, because I wanted to wear black and beige, but my shoes now cooperate with the outfit, so I'm gonna just wear white and beige. I wear one jumpsuit with my white Air Force, but the beige suit, it just don't look hot with the something. It just don't look hot by itself, so we need something else to put on the thing to make it pop. You understand? Because I don't know how much stay. If you guys are new here, I love to design my own things. Like if I even buy something from a store, I will recreate it. So that's me. And if you guys, you know, have been a chocolate baby, y'all know that I always be doing that. I don't know what to do with the outfit, because it's just not giving me. It's not giving pressure. yeah, I want to do my makeup on the day, so we'll see. I have an exam later on. It's like after 9 now. I have an exam at 4, so I'll be, you know, tightening up my brain for that exam. Yeah, I have a screw in my brain. Come up, I put in the information, put back on my skull, and screw it up back because murder. Guys, when I was at my previous apartment, when I wake up them time, you're crazy. After 12 I wake up, but since I moved here, since I'm here, I'm waking up early, like after 8. I'm like, girl, what's wrong with you? But guys, I'm not gonna bore you anymore. You guys are gonna see me when I'm packing my bag, or maybe I'll take you to school. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take you to school because I want to say you guys to say goodbye to my friends. Y'all know the need Trish and them people there, so I'm gonna make them say bye to them because you're a friend them too. So let's get ready for school. So guys, this is my outfit, something cute and nice, and I'm heading to school now to go to my exam. To be honest, I didn't really like do a lot of studying, but I don't know guys, it's like I get so tired. It's like I can't study, but come with me. Let's go do this exam and get this over with. This is my final exam, so let's go. So I'm currently on campus and I'm gonna go over community. I was gonna get some problem. I might go over Taylor Hall. Don't sure yet because I'm so hungry. So let's just see what happens. I'm hungry, see guys. I eat no breakfast. I'm gonna take up history exam at that palm head. I'm gonna eat now. Let's go. So guys, I found myself over Towers. I'm gonna get something to eat. I don't know what this is called, maybe Towers Coffee or Towers whatever, but over here somewhere right now trying to get something to eat. So yep, I have an hour, or basically 40 minutes to an hour to finish eat and get to my exam. On my way. I know them in the country. Hi guys, so I'm in the commuting office and I just came from Taylor Hall. Guys, I finally got my shirt, so I am a true excellencian. Oh my god! Yes, I will cry now. 20 and I'm 20 years old. Yeah. Oh my god, if I cry y'all would know I ball, and I'm 20, so this makes sense. Oh my god, guys, I'm so appreciated. I love you, my Black Rose sisters. And I'm going to put this on my iPad, these stickers, and on my phone. Okay. Too young for that. Just all of my pastor.
Perfect. You want me worth it. And me deserve it. The money working. That's why me tolerate bullshit. Just cause me love because I'm so I'm a perfect. You want me worth it. And me deserve it. The money working. That's why me tolerate bullshit. Just cause me love because So guys, after all of that, I'm now back home. So tomorrow I'll be washing and finish packing. So until tomorrow, I'll see you then. So hey guys, today's the day before my flight. I forgot to put in my colognes in my blasted bag in the suitcase. Sure, my bag sissy man, because I made me have to pull the suitcase. I couldn't see me good. So I'm gonna put in the cologne, but guess what guys, I don't have any tape. So I feel just wrap it up tonight then. Come on, tape. I feel just wrap it up in it then. I called my drive to come and pick me up tomorrow at 8. Him say okay, so I guess that's fine. The only thing remaining to put in my suitcase is my makeup. So I'm gonna do my makeup tomorrow. I'm gonna wake up around like 6. I'm gonna wake up early because yeah girl, definitely your girl definitely. I don't even know what me I say, but me I say I have to wake up early tomorrow because me I gotta do my ear, my makeup, plus get myself arranged for the driver and everything because as I'm hella nervous, I can never get used to going on a plane. I can't get used to it. Yeah, people might say, oh, you're weirdy, nothing wrong with it. It's not that bad for you. It's not that bad for you. But for me, it's really scary, bro. For me, it's really scary. It's really scary. So I can't do like I don't like it. I love to travel, but I don't like the plane. But I would rather a plane ride than a long bus ride, because I don't like. Alright, I don't have a problem with like a 3-hour plane flight, like a 3-hour flight. I don't have a problem with that. You see, when I was going, where did I go? And it was like 10 hours. I think I was going from Anchorage to Chicago. Child. Let me tell you this. You see the airline there? I'm not gonna say it name. But you see the airline there? When I catch a Ricky, when I catch a Ricky, and I feel them fault say and I feel them fault because them say the skies were very cloudy. So, you know, we encountered a lot of turbulence. But let me tell you though, I prayed that night. A night too, guys. Night. You see, one time when I was coming to Jamaica from Atlanta, I think they were flying over Cuba. I may tell you someone one storm. Did I hit Cuba by the time they know? I might insert the clip if I can find it. But a big lightning. I remember see up in the sky. I look upon the lightning. I'm like, God good, eh? God is so good. Let me show you my suitcase. Maybe I'll tell you the story time. So guys, this part of my suitcase tear. I'm gonna replace it because it tear because the things them in it did too full and made it too aggressive. I should have just take my time, so it does tear out. So yep. But let's put my makeup in here, so, and that will be the last thing to put in this bag. And that's me. One thing, I want more jewelry. I have a couple jewelry, but I don't have enough. Like, I don't have a proper watch. I don't have a proper gold chain. So one thing, the jewelry is what I need to invest in because it's a part of my aesthetics. Jewelry, eyeglass, those accessories that bring off my clothes whenever I wear them, those are the stuff that I need to invest in, because it's when I have on the proper jewelry or the proper bag or the proper eyeglass, let me tell you, your outfit sell off. So those are the stuff that I need to invest in. So I'm gonna get one watch. I'm thinking about a Casio watch or something. Them nice. So is it that I really want a Movada watch, guys, but it's really expensive. It's like the watch that I want is over 300 USD. So no, I'm not gonna go for that one. But I'm thinking about a Casio watch, a gold Casio watch, and I want a gold necklace. I also want a silver watch. I can take a regular silver watch, like a quartz. I have a silver quartz, but it mash up. It's like them just cheap. But mega look up one nice look silver watch on Amazon and see if I can get it. So I want a silver watch and I want a silver chain. I don't really like the flashy chain them, but you see the choker like diamond studs, they are fire.
Guys, good morning. I've already woken up, taken a shower, brushed my teeth. I'm going to now put on my little makeup, and the car is coming for me at 8:30. It's now 7:20, and I'm just gonna start getting ready and I need to drink some tea. So I need to do that even before I do anything else because my tummy is hurting. So yeah, because you're gonna work out.
That's why you didn't call it but one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay all day, talking to you to try to play these games. Leave your bed, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there.
So guys, I just checked in my bag. And I'm now waiting. I'm now in the waiting area waiting for the bus. The bus is not until about 45 minutes. So yeah,
I have to get a ticket for for inspection by the customer transportation officer. And please take all of
Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time.
Nobody likes to serve him. And he's dirty.
Welcome to Animal Kingdom. Cells are among nature's most social and emotional creatures. I'm just trying to keep everybody safe. Stay. You took my home and you turned it into a high security prison. You can't even let us spend a night without creeping around like a cat would. What do you expect me to do? How am I supposed to know she's safe if she goes home?
So guys, I have now arrived to the Montego Bay Airport. I'm looking so bougie, like this is cute. So I'm going to check in and wait until my flight. My flight is at 5 o'clock. I know it's like after 2. So yep. Hello guys, I'm here. I am going to get some Jamaican food to eat and then chillax a little bit and wait until my flight is ready. Guys, you realize I have not told you guys where I'm going, so you guys, we're gonna play a game where you're gonna guess where I'm going, and then if you guys got it right, I will give you a 24-hour shout out on my page and on my Instagram. So let's see how that works out. The vlog still continues, but I'm just letting you guys know what's going on. Alrighty, let's go get something to eat. Wait, Daddy. Wait. What are foreign?
Service Port Lauderdale Gate number 13. Once again, that's all comfort customers checking on JetBlue's flight 326 with service to Fort Lauderdale. Kindly make your way out of gate number 13 immediately for boarding. Taking the following customers on Delta flight 1987.